Today, companies look beyond degrees. They go beyond the academic expertise. They want people who can actually work very hard, diligently, take decisions, think clearly, who are able to use data. They want people who can analyze data. They want people who can communicate clearly and who are flexible and easily adaptable to change. PGP MBA has a very flexible and a very contemporary curriculum. We keep having an updation of our syllabus every year. We look into it, we have a board of studies which guides us as to what is next that the industry requires. So we keep updating our curriculum. We get a lot of corporate inputs as the majority of our faculty are coming from the industry. So our industry requirements are already being given to the students. So they are aligned with that. Then we also have corporate insights which are coming through live projects, through a lot of assignments, and thereby the students are always alert as to what is happening. We keep lectures like the geopolitics and the challenges for India, etc. So these kind of programs and events that we conduct, case study competitions, then we have the Met Combat, etc. A lot of application-based study that we give to the students actually helps them to be very much aligned with the industry requirements. Our business analytics program is meant not for the technical and engineering students. It is meant for people who want to pursue business management in the coming future. So we start teaching business analytics along with Python and advanced Excel right from semester 1. We also teach them DBMS, SQL, R, visualization and Power BI. So all these things are taught right from semester 1, 2, 3 onwards. We also teach AI ML, which is extremely important in today's world. And they use real-time data for their capstone projects. So we see that it is not just learning the concepts over here. Here we teach them application-based learning strategies. They learn to use data and they learn to apply it to real-world problems. And that is what makes us different. This is what we differentiate from other business analytic programs. So our students are always ready to enter the corporate world. We make them industry ready. PGP Insurance combines management studies and insurance. The insurance part specialization is the Chartered Insurance Institute UK program. So this makes it really special because insurance is not only a stable but a fast growing industry today. In insurance, the students learn not only the concepts, but they get hands-on experience from people who are actually ACII, and they are groomed to do these subjects and also become ACII in the future. Having given this qualification, which is a globally recognized qualification, they are able to really do extremely well in roles which are leadership roles like financial advisory, in risk management, then underwriting, and so on and so forth. So this is an exceptionally an unusual, unique program which no other college offers today. Experiential learning is an integral part of PGP MBA. It is a course which goes beyond the four walls of a classroom. We do not confine the students to theoretical learning. Our course implies all application and practical oriented syllabus. So our curriculum is designed in such a manner that the students engage themselves in a lot of internships with various institutes, with a lot of live projects, with a lot of internships. We also have a lot of corporate sessions which the industry people bring to the classroom. Our alumni who are belonging to the corporate field also come here and interact with the students, giving them a lot of cases and talks regarding what is happening in the world outside. So they are exposed to a lot of practical experiences, and they even whatever they do in the class is also application based. So they use live data for various subjects to ensure that they have that experience of learning by doing. Industry collaborations play a very crucial role in enriching the learning experience at PGP MBA. Here we have mentors, partners, and collaborators who come from the business world. They come and guide and mentor our students. Our students are exposed to the real world situations. They are made aware of not only the cases which are relevant to the subject specializations, but also about the macro environment that exists in the business world today. So the students become enriched with their learning experiences through these collaborations, where we have mentors who come from the industry and guide them. The business dynamics are very well understood by our students, and this makes them industry ready. PGP MBA, this course ensures that we look at the holistic development of a student. We look beyond the technical aspect. We look beyond the academics. We believe that it is the overall personality of the student which matters. Therefore, it is through a lot of presentations, life management skills, soft skills that we deliver to the students. We also help them to do their aptitude testing right from day one of semester 3, where we go on taking their GD, PIs, all mock drills. So they are trained right in the beginning as to how to present themselves, to be aware of what the world requires of them. We teach them business ethics, which is very important to us because this is what matters to make a good leader in the business world. At AMDC, what we do is, right from day one, we are preparing our student with various soft skills. We help them to prepare with their aptitude test. That is, all quanti aptitude is taught for almost 36 hours here. And also we give them life management skills, soft skills like business etiquette, etc. So they know how to conduct themselves. We give them grooming sessions, how to wear, how to walk, talk. All this is given to them in a structured manner. So they know how to conduct themselves, how to face the interviews. We also take a lot of mock interviews. We give them group discussions throughout the year so that they are prepared to face interviews. But not only this, our life management skills and our soft skills that we make them go through, these help them not only in their professional career but also in their personal. They are groomed for life when they enter the business world. The placement with AMDC students has been very consistent and very strong because we create a great network base with the industrial professionals and our alumni, which spreads across all sectors and which is across the globe actually, are really very, very helpful in helping our students to get placed. Not only their mentoring, guidance, but also they support all our live projects and they support for placement opportunities as well. And we have seen that our students manage to get some of the best opportunities in the industry. They manage to get excellent placements, excellent roles, and even very good packages. We have seen highest package goes up to 20 lakhs with an average salary of 8.5 lakhs, which is given to most of the students, and this reflects the type of opportunities which are actually available to the students. AMDC has always been very industry oriented. Our curriculum is always very contemporary. It is practical and application based. Our full focus is on student orientation and student progress. We combine academic excellence with practical exposure so that the students are ready to face the real world challenges. At AMDC, we do not just educate and train, we empower them to make them into good future business leaders.